Hello everyone, Namaste, Yashaswi Vaani ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Vaani YouTube channel. ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? Today is our 11th lesson and it's a continuation of our 9th and 10th lesson. So if you have not gone through the 9th and 10th lesson, 11th lesson might be a little tricky for you, but it won't be difficult, but I request you to go through the 9th and 10th lesson, then come to the 11th lesson. It will be much more easier for you. Okay, so here the key word of 9th and 10th lesson, try to recall. So what is that we were doing in 9th and 10th lesson? It is all about yellide, yellittu, correct? So yellide, where is it? And yellittu, where was it? So these were our key words for which we were trying to answer in a different ways. Okay, so ivattu we'll take few words. The words are mane. Mane andre house. Innondu we will make it simple. Traffic. English word, direct English word. Terrace. Office. Where ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? Box. Hotel. Shop is angdi. Angdi shop. Then we will be also taking a different one. First we will do this one. So you are going to frame the sentence. I'll give you an example and one more example you have to give it. You have to write it down in the comment section, the another example. Okay na? So what we will learn is, so yellide ಅನ್ನೋ question ಗೆ my answer should be it's in the house, it's in the terrace, it's in the box, so it's in somewhere. So this is what we are going to look actually. So this is what we will doing now. First we will take money. So now we have money. So we would have to say it's in the house. Just a second. So using these words, we are going to frame the sentences now, which will be in a past tense and which will be in a present tense, which is basically the answer for our question, where is it and where was it. So first we'll take the question, where is it? So we'll be taking the present tense. So now I want to say for that question, it's in the house, it's in the box, it's in the office, it's in the hotel, it's in the shop. I have to frame the sentence. So how do I give it? So let's start. So now I want to say it's in the house. My answer would be manelide. Okay, so what is manelide? That is what you have to do here. This is section, this lesson will be completely like an activity. So I'm not going to give you the complete answer really. Neevu fill up it's like a fill up the blank. You have to fill it up. Okay na? So first one is dash manelide. What is manelide? Fill it up. Next I would say dash terrace alide. So there is something in the terrace. So what is that? Terrace alide. Terrace al ide. Terrace alide. Okay. What is this al? Basically, if you can recall, it's alli. It's a conjunction. So in the terrace. You are saying in the terrace or at the terrace, whatever. So adu in or at, which will be alli actually, but in a sentence it will become al. If you won't be able to pronounce this completely, so as of now put it in the mind, try to memorize al. Clear? Okay, so next one is hotel alide. Hotel alide. So it's in next one angdi alide. I'll say in that shop. It's in that shop. So how do you say that shop? How did you say that side? Our side. So similarly, that shop, our shop. Our shop al ide. Our shop al ide. Clear? So you have to fill it up. Illi. So adakke you have a spaces. Okay na? So I can also write few more. So I'll erase this one. Comment ಮಾಡಿ, very important. Whatever you are writing the answer, please comment ಮಾಡಿ. So which will help you to understand whether you are going in a right procedure, right process ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ, light learning ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The next one I would say box alide. Box alide. So what is box in Kannada? If you want to remember or if you want to memorize, dabba or dabbi. Both are equally right. Okay, box alide. Next, I would say office allide. Office allide. Office allide. The next two, you have to tell me in which thing. So I'm not going to give here the complete sentence, you have to give it to me. So 6 sentences alli I have given you half. 7th and 8th sentence you have to frame it completely. Completely frame ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Fine. So similarly, use the same kind of same words. Use the same manelittu. So I'll write it down. Okay, fine. So let me write it down so it will become easy for you. So ivaga past tense alli, so you are saying where was it? It was in the locker. Locker al-ittu. Locker al-ittu. It was in the wardrobe. Wardrobe al-ittu. It was on sale. Sale al-ittu. Sale al-ittu. It was in what do I say? It was in the see ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. It was in Bangalore. It was in Bangalore. Okay, sorry. Now we will come to this one. So here I'm going to erase this one. Now we are going to the very good part, important part only, where we are taking the name of places. So we'll take a Bangalore. Okay. Bangalore al-ittu. It was in Bangalore. The function was in Bangalore. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಇದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. The function is in the Bangalore. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Similarly, you can use it for ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Here what will change is based on the noun, based on the place ending letter. Tamil Nadu, it ends with the U sounding. Kerala, it ends with the sounding. So based on that, this thing should change. So because of this reason, I'm not going to discuss this completely. We will take a pause here. As of now, you can just give a try. Next class only, tomorrow we'll be working on the city name. So how the city name ends, how should I frame the sentence? It has a little bit of a grammar, but we have to learn with grammar actually. Grammar exclude madakagala. This one we will do it today. So as of now, put this in your mind, use it only for a Bangalore. If you want to try for other places, give a try. Okay na? So this was today's class, lesson 11. I hope ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇವನ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮೈ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಇ ಬುಕ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಬೈ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. You can check a sample copy. If you are interested, you can even purchase that book. Okay? So thank you so much. I'll see you everyone tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a class. Don't forget. See you tomorrow. Namaskar.